How to fix error 0x80246016 installing or updating movies and TV app on Xbox or PC. 1. Pause or cancel and retry the app installation. For Xbox users, refer to the IMG below. 2. Reboot your device. And power cycle your internet device, modem/router. 3. Check and improve your network and internet connection, if possible. 4. General tips are, remove the movies and TV app, and reinstall the app later. Reset your device. For Xbox console users, refer to the IMG below. 5. Contact Xbox support.